New troublemakers like the fall armyworm, tomato leaf miner, spotted lanternfly are among the many pests that are making life difficult for farmers across the globe. And they seem to be here to stay, mainly thanks to climate change. Rising global temperatures and changing weather patterns are creating the conditions for pests and diseases to thrive in places they weren't even found in. The Food and Agriculture Organization estimates that up to 40% of food crops are being lost to plant pests and diseases annually. This number might go up as a warming climate across the globe can trigger an expansion of pests and diseases range. It can also increase their survival rates and help them find new hosts. In this study, scientists have identified at least 15 such species of insects and pathogens whose range has expanded due to climate change. But why is this happening? One factor is warmer temperatures, which can accelerate the development and reproduction of pests and disease carriers. This increases their population and leads to faster life cycles. Changing rainfall patterns can also create conditions conducive to the growth of these pests. Research shows that since 1960, crop pests and diseases have been moving at an average of 3 km a year in the direction of the Earth's north and south poles as temperatures increase. Prime examples of such pests are the fall armyworm. This insect that's native to the Americas has been spreading in African and Asian countries, infecting maize, paddy, sugarcane, and wheat crops. In the last 5 to 6 years, these pests have been decimating crops, and they are hard to get rid of. The moths can travel long distances in short durations and are able to rapidly infest more areas. Another pest native to Eastern Asia that was introduced to North America is the spotted lanternfly. It infests grapevines, walnut, and maple trees, among many others. This pest is now considered invasive in many parts of the USA. It's not just warming temperatures that increase the pest's range. Climate-related extreme events like storms and floods can facilitate the spread of pests and diseases by disrupting ecosystem and promoting their movement. Even pathogens, especially pathogenic fungi and oomycetes, are rising and leading to crop diseases. Potato blight in Nepal has become more common and has started affecting potato cultivation all over the Himalayan region. Potatoes form a staple diet in the Himalayas as they are nutritious, easy to grow, and cook. The oomycetes causing blight in potato and tomato has a great capacity to adapt to changing conditions, and warmer winters provide them with ideal conditions to thrive. Thus, climate change-related risks can lead to reduced potato cultivation, affecting the region harshly. As the condition and ranges of agricultural pests increase, plants are also facing other challenges for their survival. Extreme weather events can weaken plants' defenses due to stress caused by high temperature, increased humidity due to erratic rainfall patterns, and increased atmospheric carbon dioxide. All of these factors can make them more susceptible to diseases. But practicing climate-resilient agriculture that includes testing soil health, water management practices, and choosing flood and drought-resistant varieties of seeds can help farmers mitigate climate change-related risks.